With claim history, there's actually a lot of misconceptions with that. Claim history, when you file a claim on a property, if you're the policyholder, and let's say you sell that property 2 or 3 years down the road, the claim history actually stays with the property, not the policyholder. So you move into a new house and you file, let's say you filed 2 claims on the previous property, there is no any background on that for your new property. However, the new owner of the previous property has 2 claims filed with that property. The reason the insurance carriers do that, or the way it's set up like that, is so if there was damages that were approved and a policyholder was indemnified, they were paid for damages to a property and they actually kept the money and didn't do the work, that actually, those damages carry over to the new homeowner or the new policyholder. And that's really important because they actually have the ability to go back and check claim history all the way back, 5-10 years, and they can look at previous claims to see what was damaged in the past, if that work was completed. They can cross-reference that with invoices from contractors where they're indemnified on the RCV portion of the payment on that claim. So that's really important for policyholders to know when they're filing a claim, if there was a previous claim history to that property even before they purchased the home, or afterwards they had a previous claim 2 years ago and they were filing a new claim. If they haven't done all the repairs or done all the work from the previous claim, they're not going to be paid twice for the same work, or for the same damages, I should say. So as a public adjusting firm, what we can do is step in, look at the previous claim history on a property as well, and see what damages were approved prior to and what should have been approved in the previous claim, and or what is owed now with the new recent claim. And why that's actually important is if we look back, and this can be to benefit of a policyholder as well, because you're looking at a previous claim where maybe it's the same carrier that had the policy 2 years ago when you filed a claim, and now there's a new claim. In the previous claim, the carrier or the adjuster came out and said there was no damage found to this roofing system, free and clear. And now they're saying, oh, this is old damage, this isn't new damage, this is previous damage. And we know by looking at meteorological data, there was no storms in that area from the last claim to the new one, and they documented in writing there was no damage to the roofing system in that previous claim, and now we have damages. We can hold them accountable to that, and that does come up quite frequently.